Alright, doing a recording this time. Let's start, I guess. Oop, blank page. Alright, first question. Wow, really just asked me to do this. First thing. I'm a lucky person. Very lucky person. Let's get that. Sorry. Wish it had to be 140 degrees. So it's what, 40? Yeah, it's 40 degrees. Actually, it should be measuring. Oh, wait. I'll use a protractor. I don't know. Anyway. 40 degrees. Next one, workout square root of 5 times. That doesn't say I have to. Oh, wait, no, it is. It's 2 marks. So that means I have to get. What? 36 times root 5? Is that the working? I hope that's acceptable. So it's root 5. That, okay. Oh, root 5 times 36. 26, not 26. 36. So it gets me 6 root 5 is equal to 13.42, rounding errors. Alright. Next one. That is what? So to get to 24, actually, let's go to 22 first. 45 minutes, so 45 minutes, we are at 22:00. And then I have to add 2 more hours to that. So it's 2 hours and 45 minutes. 2 hours and 45 minutes gets me to 0:00, and then adding another 0.433 to that. So that gets me to 6 hours. 2 hours 45 minutes plus that, 6 hours and 78 minutes. Doesn't make any sense. So it's 7 hours and 18. Right. Just gonna pause the recording, have something to do. Okay, we are back. Okay, continuing with this, that is 7 hours and 18 minutes right there. 7 hours, 18 minutes. Yep. Total surface area. So I need to get the surface area of this. So that's 7 times 5 plus. So 7 times 5 plus 4 times 5. So that's this. Then I have 1, 2, 3 more sides for that. And then this one I only have 2 sides for, so I can do something like this. 7 times 5 plus 2, 4 times 5, and I'll get 145 centimeters squared. Alright, next page. Alright, write down the gradient of the line. That would be 5 or 5 over 1, I guess. Write down the point where it crosses the y-axis. That would be 7, y-intercept right there, 0, 7. Using a ruler and compass, only construct this triangle. Okay, this one, length of 12 cm has been drawn for me. Okay. Let's see if I can figure out how to do this. Even new construction works. Okay. So I can get my Okay, I can place it right there. I have to measure out 9.5 centimeters now. I've never done this before. I'm just trying to logic out how I can possibly make that happen. Place that right there, and then I can get move to the ruler. Right. 9.5 right there. Okay. I got the length down. So now I just have to place that, and then I can get the arc there. Then I need to get the second arc of 8 centimeters. I guess. Let's measure that once more. Oops, messed it up. No, that's a little short. That's perfect. Then I can place it on the end there, and then I can put the intersecting point. Alright, and then I have my triangle, I hope. I just have to draw it out. No, that's not gonna work. Wait. Okay, one line goes there. The other line can go there. Works. Just to double check, we'll be measuring it. So that one has to be 9.5 centimeters. Exactly. Yep, that's 9.5, and then this one has to be 8. And that matches up. Okay. Write down the inequality shown by the number line. Okay. Alright. So how do I don't know what this means. I'm assuming it means n is, so n has to be, so it goes above, so it means n is less than or greater to, I think that's greater than -1. So less than or greater to -1. I don't know what that symbol means. I'm simply assuming. Next page. Okay, so A after a reflection on the y-axis, so all the points on the y-axis have to be turned opposite, so that's 4, 2, so that becomes -4, 2. And then this one is 3, 5, which becomes -3, 5. And I can construct the triangle now. Let's try and that. There. The last line. There. Alright, that is triangle I. Then -3, -4. So that's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have my first point there. Then I can do rise, run, take out the second. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's my second point right there. Third point, 1, 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 1, 2, 3. Last point right there. Then I can just connect them. Something looks wrong with that. Yeah, something's wrong with that. I miscounted my line. has to be there. And it's I. Fully describe the transformation. Okay, so that means it has to be enlargement. I'm just not sure where the center is, so we will find out by drawing a straight line on both corners of this. I have a feeling it's going to be 9, -1 because it kind of lines up with. Okay, yeah, it lines up exactly. So that means enlarged by scale factor 1/2 about 9 -1 as the center. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, that's 2. Okay, factorize completely. Alright, so it's 12 times a cubed. Okay, so it's 12 times a times a times a. I'm wondering how to do this. Okay, no, they both have common. They both have a common factor of 3. So that means I can do some like bring the 3 out. Then I can have what? 4a cubed minus 7a. Now what? That is... I'm unsure of what to do now. So 12a cubed minus 21a. No, I just realized what I can do. I can pull this out of there, so there's 4a squared minus 7. Can I go any further? No, I can't. Okay, that's it. 3a before 8 squared minus 7. Final answer. That works perfectly, basically. Okay. Next thing, the sequence of a term is n squared plus 7. First 3 terms of the sequence, so that means just 1 squared plus 7, that's 8. And 2 squared plus 7, 11. 3 squared plus 7, 16. That's it. Okay, so difference, it's a different sequence. So this is minus 8, minus 8, minus 8. Okay, arithmetic sequence. That's going to be easy. So 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 minus 8n. As temperature increases, people eat more ice cream. What type of correlation is this statement described? Direct, because they both go up at the same time. Alright. So, simple interest rate. Okay. It's not compound. So that means it is 700 times 2.5%. gives me an increase. Oh, wait. Whoops. Messed it up. Has to be 98. Oh, no, 102.5. There we go. So that gives me 717. So I just have to subtract 700 and it gives me 17.5 per year. So yeah, I'll put that all into my working. 700 times 102.5 minus 700 is equal to 17.5. And then multiply that by 6. That gives me $105. Compound interest rate, so that's A is equal to principal n minus 1. Wait, 1 minus r. Sorry. 1 minus r and t. Okay, so that means 1030.5 is equal to the principal of 700, 1 minus x for 17 years to the power of 17. Alright, let's simplify this, shall we? Multiply that, so I can say 700 minus... Oh, no, I can't do that, actually. That would be a mistake. Let's see. I have messed the formula up, actually. This is not correct. It's not the correct formula. I'm looking at it. Okay. I messed it out. Okay. So A is equal to P times 1 plus R over 100, because it's the percentage. Then we get the years. So that means 1030 is equal to 700 times 1 plus R over 100 to the power of 17. Kind of plug that in. 700. Kind of just brute force it, honestly. Power of 17. Okay. So that means it's not 12, let's try 6. Alright, getting closer. 2. Nope, not 2. So it means it has to be maybe 3. Okay. 3 and a half. It's too much. Okay, you know, I'm I'm messing this up for myself here. Why am I doing this? I don't know. Let's try to do this the proper way. 1030 is equal to 700. 1 plus 2 power 17. Wait. Exponent rules. Exponent rules. This is... Okay, so I can kind of. Oh yeah, I forgot algebra. God, how did I forget that? What am I doing? I don't know. Okay, so I cancel that out, so that becomes what, 103 over 70 is equal to 1 plus over 100 to the power of 17. After that, gotta multiply both sides. So what? Got 103 over 70 to the power 16 because this one times 7 now. Something ain't right. I don't entirely know what. I'm doing something wrong. Yeah, I'm doing something wrong. What am I doing? Something is very wrong with this. Okay, need help. My arithmetic is failing me. Alright, simplify that. That's just h to the power 7. Then I have to apply both here, so it's x negative 3, 7, negative 3. Can I simplify that any further? Nope, don't think so. Alright. Find the value of p. So it's 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 6. Okay, so it's 2 pi 4.7 log mean 29.5 centimeters. Okay, so this one is 7 over 3 times 11 over 14, which is equal to 77, and 3 times 14 is 42. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, have to do this the hard way. And then I can do 42. It's like 1. So 77 minus 42. 5, 3 is 30. 35 over 42. Pretty sure those are both divisible by 3. No, 35 is not divisible by 3. 35 a prime number? No, it's divisible by 5. Any common things here? No, you can't see any. So I will leave it as 135 over 42. And that will be that. Next page. Alright. A is that, and B is that. Equation for the straight line that passes through both. So, it's just giving me a freebie. It's giving me all the information. Don't have to solve for anything. Alright, so it crosses through 7. So this is plus 7. Y equals what? X plus 7. So that gives me, let's just select the 2 points already. So it rises by negative 8. So it rises negative 8, and the run is a negative 4. So it becomes negative 2. So y is equal to negative 2x plus 7. perpendicular. So that means I have to get the negative reciprocal, and the negative reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. So y equals 1/2 x plus c, and then I can assume another point. Let's take 6, 5, negative 6, 5 there, so we can put 5 equals 1/2 negative 6 plus c, so then negative 6 as negative 3 is equal to 5 plus c. So that gives me 5 plus 3, that's 8. So c is equal to 8. So that gives me y is equal to 1/2 x plus 8. If I graph that out, y is equal to 1/2 x plus 8. That'd be something like that, plus 8. 8 is up here. Okay, cool. That works. Alright, next thing. What is this? This is a circle segment there. No, this is a rectangle. So the OPQR with length 11 and width 4. It's a diagonal, and the OPX is sector of the circle, so it intersects with the diagonal here. Meaning that, what? If I divide that, that's a 90-degree angle. This one's a 90-degree angle, and that means both of these sides are the same. So it's, what? 180 minus 90. So that means both of these are 45 degrees. So I'm going to find x as x, a midpoint, though. Doesn't say anywhere that x is a midpoint, but it's asking me to calculate the percentage of the rectangle that is shaded. Okay, so I need to find a radius somehow. That's 4 centimeters. This one's also 4 centimeters, so that would be find the area of u. So that's 2. No, not 2. Sorry, pi r squared. Pi 4 squared. So that's 16 pi is equal to 16 pi. What's that? 50.27. And then I can get the area of this, which is 44. That actually makes no sense. Wait a minute. No, I did something wrong here. Yeah, I definitely did something wrong with this calculation. That is no way correct. My arithmetic is betraying me once more. How could this happen? Alright. Pi 4 squared, pi r squared equal to pi 4 squared. Huh? Oh, pi times 4 squared? Yeah, 16 pi. Yeah, width times length is the area of this one. That's 44. This is the area of the, oh, that's the area of the whole circle. I didn't multiply it by 45 over 360. Okay. Now I get it. No, I just need to 16 pi. 16 pi times 45 over 360 times 45 over 360, which is equal to 2 pi or 6.28. Alright, so then that means I have to do 44, subtract that, 44 minus answer. That gives me 37.72. So 37.72 is a what? So 37.72 is equal to x over 100 of 44. So that gives me 3772 over 44 is equal to x. It's 3772 divided by 44. That gives me 85.73%. 85.73. All right, that's done. Next one, he buys two shirts and a hat and a jacket. So that's x plus 2, and then 24 less than x, 20 to x minus 24. X minus 24. And the hat costs 16 less than the jacket. So that's x minus 16. Alright, so first thing I want to do is expand those brackets. Plus 2x minus 48 plus x minus 16. So then I want to simplify these two. So x plus 2x, I can simplify that 3x minus 48 plus x minus 16. All this is equal to 100. Forgot to do that. Alright, so negative 48 minus 16 is negative 64, so that means 4x minus 64 is equal to 100, so 100 plus 64, 164 is equal to 4x, and then 164 over 4, 164 divided by 4 is $41. Okay. Next page. Currently 30 minutes in. I have one question I wasn't able to solve so far. I gotta go back to that. Y is inversely proportional to the square root, so y is equal to k over the square root of x plus 4. So 2 is equal to square root of 9k, so that's 2 is equal to 3, k over 3. So 2 times 3, okay, so it's 2 is equal to 3k, and then 2 times 3 equals k, so it's k equals 6. And after that, I can find x is 77, so that's y is equal to 6 over 77. So 6 divided by 77 is... Okay, I think I'll just leave it as 6 over 77. I hope that's acceptable. If it's not, then I'll have the 0.078, I guess. Alright, anyway, simultaneous equations. There is an x squared there. Okay, that's interesting. Alright, anyway. 6x plus 2y equals 22, and then x squared minus 2y is equal to 18. So subtract those, and I will cancel that. 6x minus x squared is equal to 4. Alright, and then after that I can kind of rearrange this though, no? Yeah, okay, so 6x minus x squared is minus 4 is equal to 0. Now I have to factorize. How do I do this now? 6x minus x. How else can I rewrite this to make the x go in the front? Okay. Solves up. Okay. I think I'll just have to quadratic equation it. Yeah, so x is equal to x is equal to what's negative 6 plus minus square root of 6 squared minus 4 negative 1 negative 4. And then put that over what 2 times negative 1, right? Okay, and then that will give me negative 6 plus square root of 6 squared minus 4 negative 1 negative 4 over 2 negative 1. Ah, no, do not want to do that. Over 2 negative 1 will give me first x is minus root 5. Okay, I need to write that down. 3 minus root 5. x1 is equal to 3 minus root 5. And then 0.76. And then I need to do the minus. Oops, there we go. 3 plus root 5. 524. x2 is equal to 3 plus root 5. Then I can plug that back in here. So it gives me 3. And then x is... Oh, I have to rearrange this first. Isolate y. Okay, so 3.76 plus y is equal to 11. And then I can move all this over there, so I put this divided by 3. Cancel that. And then subtract 0.76. Okay, so just 11 over 3 minus whatever this value. Okay. So 11 divided by 3 plus 3 minus root 5. That'll give me 4.43. Then I have to do 3 plus root 5. That will give me 8.9. Perfect. Next question. Calculate the angle between the stick and the box. So it's like that, kind of. Oop. No, drew that wrong. So it's like, yeah, it's like that, and then I have to get that, because that's the angle between the root and the stick in this. Alright, so that means I have to get this square root of 18.6 squared plus 9 squared. 18.6 squared plus 9 squared is equal to 20.663. Round that later. So it's 20.663, and then I have that, and I have that, so it means I have adjacent and opposite, so that's tan theta is equal to 20.663 over 4. No, I did it wrong. It's the opposite way around. It's 14.5 over 20.663. Alright. And then after that I can do 10 minus 1. That's okay. So that works. 10 negative 1. 14.5 over the previous answer is equal to 35.06 35.06 degrees. All right. Next, GM is equal to, what's that? Okay, 4.6 AM is equal to that 430. So I have to lengthen the stick until there, so I need to get this to that. So I already have those two, so I just have to do square root. Okay, what's the answer? Okay, there. Square root, answer, square root, answer squared, plus 20.663 squared, plus 14.5 is equal to that's 25.24, so that means I have to subtract 30 from 30 minus answer. 30 minus minus 25.24 is equal to 4.75 or 4.8. There we go. Next, the magnitude of that is 3/5 of the magnitude of that. Okay, I don't think I need to really concern myself with that for now. Okay, let's go PQ. P to Q, that's negative B plus A. Oh, getting a call. Okay, back to this. Okay, so it's negative. What is this? RQ is OP. This is a confusing shape. Nothing is the same. RQ is equal to 3/5 is OP. Magnitude of RQ. So it means 3/5 is OP, so 3/5 B. So it means negative B plus A plus 3/5 B. So negative B plus A plus 3/5 B. So that means I get 2/5 negative 2/5 B plus A. Oh, wait. P to Q. Negative B plus A. I'm doubting this one. So I'm the one with negative 2/5 B plus. Okay, there we go. Now it makes sense. Alright. They intersect a W. PQ and OR. And OR. This is point W. Just did this, come on. Okay. So I have to get the ratio of that to that somehow. Oh no. Okay, I'm still confused. This isn't good. So A is to something. So my method is position vector of W. So you want me to go from O to W. So OR to RW. So I just need to get OW. OW is equal to OR plus RW, which and OR is A plus X. Can't tell if it's more. It's more than A, right? So it's something X and some Y over there. So X is equal to A, Y is equal to YA. We kind of did that today, I think. A plus X A. Now how do I find the X? W. Problem is finding this X. Okay. This sucks. Okay, gonna have to skip this one for now. And that's the entire paper. Okay. In that case, I got the time. Try to figure this one out. A plus XA. Method I need to use is W O W. Alright, let's think. It's page 11, it's not the length of this. Okay, what are my options? So, I can kind of go like this if I want to as well, but that makes no difference. RQ 3/5 of OP, okay, that doesn't matter anymore. I'm simply looking for a single line. What is the ratio of A to this? Oh, wait a minute. I just realized I can get because this is 3/5. That's 3/5 of B. Right? So 3/5 B is that. So that means the distance between this one and that. Okay. These are not equidistant. Okay. What does that change? That doesn't change anything. I have no idea what I'm doing. I will be back when I figure it out. Okay, so after doing a little bit of research, I have found a nice method that I would like to use. So first, I have my Z, which is our scale factor for OR, right? And then that's equal to OW, right? So that's our original X over there. Next thing, I want to get a comparison line, so I'm going to go over there and then go up. So it's OP plus another scale factor of K of PQ is equal to OW, right? So that's another position vector. So then next thing I can do is I can simplify this and say I will put this into the terms of this. So that's ZA is equal to B K B plus K, sorry, B plus K Then simplify PQ. PQ is this. I'll simplify that. A minus 2/5 B. 2/5 B, not 2 over B. 2/5 B. Alright, and then I can kind of simplify this even further. Z A, and then well, looking at this, there's a comparison to be made, so we're going to put placeholder 0B, and there's nothing there. 0B has to put, and then I can equal that to KA, just open the bracket out, plus 1B minus 2 over 5 K times B, opened it up, and after that I have to compare this Z with the K, and then I have to compare this B with this entire segment there. Alright, so that gives me 1 minus 2 over 5K is equal to 0, because this is the 0B, and then 1 minus 2.5, so it's just B minus 2.5, 2.5K, right? So that makes K equal to 5 over 2. Let's just make that 1, and then get the reciprocal, and then you can put their algebra. Yep. So because K is equal to 5 over 2, and then we also know that Z is equal to K, because it's the same scale factor that needs to go from there to there. And we have our answer of 5 over 2 A as the answer. That's it. All right. Now let's go back to the principal question. Try and get that now. All right, this is question 12. All right, so let's give me seconds. Took a quick break in between the past 2 pauses. It's been about 30-something minutes. Okay. Let's logic this out now. So now I got the correct formula, by the way. 700 times 100%, yep, plus R percent over to the power 17 is equal to 1030.35. And then after that, I have to get, because 100% is just 1, so it becomes 1 plus R. 1 plus R percent is equal to the root 17 of 1030.35 over 700. So I need to make that happen now. So 1030 divided by, no, so 1030.35 divided by 700. That gives you that. Then I need to do the 17 root answer. Gives me 1.02. So then that means the rate, if I divide that by 100 now, is 0.01%. Or wait a minute, something's wrong. I forgot to subtract the 1. Yeah, I forgot to. I forgot there was a. God. Forgot the -1. Because I flipped it. Okay. So I have to cancel that. I forgot there is a -1 there. Sorry. -1. There. Alright. I was a little confused. This doesn't seem right. Something's wrong. Okay, so our percent is equal to 17 root. Let's see. 1030.35 over 700 minus 1. What is that? Let's close that. Multiply that by 100 to compensate for the percent. And we get. That's not correct either. I'm doing something wrong. Oh, I included the -1 inside the root. That's not correct. -1. There we go. That's it. 2.3%. There we go. And the paper is now finished. I will be scanning it and sending it to you.